Good morning, students. Today we are going for the chapter 15 Executive. Here, executive it refers to the president, vice president, and prime minister and the council of ministers. The executive enforces or implement the law made by union parliament, and the president is the executive head of the Indian Republic. The president of India is the head of the state. Basically, he or either she is usually referred to as the first citizen of the country. All the executive powers are visited in him, her, and exercised with the advice of Prime Minister and his, her council. Qualification for the election of president. Firstly, the election of president is indirect election. Now, candidate should be an Indian citizen. She should have completed at least 35 years age, and she should be qualified to become a member of Lok Sabha. The term of the office. Basically, you know that the president is elected for a term of 5 years, and she may be re-elected. The president can be removed from his office if she violates the Constitution of India. Either we said that in the condition of the impeachment election, the president is indirectly elected by the special body of electoral college. The electoral college, it means that the member of Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, they give their votes and to choose the president. Now, impeachment, or either what is the procedure of impeachment? It is only the way the president can be removed from his office for the violation of the constitution through the process of impeachment. It means 2/3 of the member of the both house present there, and they give their negative vote to against the president. In this condition, president can be removed from his office. Work or important power of the president. Firstly, executive power. It means that all executive orders are issued by the president, and president appointed the prime minister of India and others council minister of India. Appointment the high ranking official of the country, like here Attorney General of India, the Judge of the High Court and the Supreme Court, and the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Appointment of the governors of the state by the President, and may give necessary direction to the state government. Now here, second point, legislative powers. Basically, the President may summon prorogue, meaning declares the end of the session of the parliament, nominate the 12 member of the Rajya Sabha, and give his, her assent to the bills passed by the parliament, either money bill or ordinary bill. Issue the ordinances when parliament is not in session. Address the parliament in the first session after the general election is over. Financial power. Basically, a money bill is introduced in the Lok Sabha with a prior recommendation of the president. An annual budget is laid before parliament on behalf of the president. Judicial power. President can grant pardon or reduce punishment given to a convict. President is not answerable any court for the exercise of his, her power. No criminal case can be lodged against the president in any court during his, her term of office. Emergency power. Basically, the president can declare emergency or war against the other country. Now, the president can declare emergency state when there is a total breakdown of the constitutional machinery. Now, the president can declare financial emergency when financial stability of the country is threatened. Discretionary power. The president may not put his assent to a non-money bill and send it back to the parliament for reconsideration. The Vice President of India. The office of the Vice President of India is the second highest constitutional office of India after the President. Qualification as same to be the President, must be Indian citizen, not less than 35 years age, must be qualified for the election of Rajya Sabha. He must not hold any office of profit under the union or state government. President or Vice President, both are work for the 5 years. Vice President may resign by writing to the President. Election of the Vice President of India is elected by the Electoral College. Power of the Vice President in the absence of the President. Preside over the meeting of the Rajya Sabha, and he is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. It means that he is the most powerful person. Cast his special vote to break the tie. If there is tie between the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha voting, then he gave their vote. Decide the admissibility of questions. Power of the appointment of Prime Minister. Now, Prime Minister, basically Prime Minister is appointed by the President, but the Prime Minister is get the vote or House of the Peoples. It means that Prime Minister is mainly in a parliamentary form of government. Prime Minister occupies a very important position. He is the head of the government. After the general election is over, President normally appoint the Prime Minister. Prime Minister of India. If no political party win an absolute majority in the general election, the President appoint any person who may or not be member either of House of Parliament as the Prime Minister of India. Power of Prime Minister. On his advice, President may summon prorogue the session and Parliament and can be dissolved. It means Parliament can be dissolved on the advice of the Prime Minister. Prime Minister distribute portfolios among the minister. It means important work given to the ministers. Here, the Prime Minister rescues of the minister when they are harassed by the opposition. She preside over the meeting of cabinet, prepares agendas of the meeting. The Prime Minister is the leader of the Lok Sabha. Prime Minister coordinates in different government departments. Function of the Council Minister. Council Minister, they are appointed by the President on the advice of Prime Minister. Other minister, they are known as the Cabinet Minister, Minister of State and the Deputy Minister. Function of the Council Minister, prepare the foreign and domestic policies of government, help the Prime Minister in the administration of the country, and advise the President to issue the ordinance or declare the emergency if there is